Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by.
Hey everybody, this is Eric with Window Depot USA of Dayton. I'm here with our customer Sheila. She agreed to give us a customer testimonial. So the first question I'm going to ask Sheila is, how did the sales process go for you guys?
It went really well. Actually, one morning we were actually sitting in this room searching for a window company, and your company popped up, and I filled out the online request. Immediately got a bounce back email from you, and then immediately got a phone call. And you guys set up a sales meeting with us like 3 days later. You came that day. Everything went well with the sales process. Yeah.
Nice, great. And then, so once you guys bought and then the guys came out to do the install, how did the install go for you?
It went really well. Randy came with his guys. He told me it was 3 days. They tried to get that done in 3 days. We had 26 windows total, so it was a lot.
Yeah.
But they came and they hustled. They came every day. They worked hard all day long. Even one day worked through a little bit of rain, and they got done in the 3 days, and it turned out great.
Nice. Well, with all that, it sounds like another happy customer. So the other question is would you refer us to your friends and family?
Yes, I would, and I have, so hopefully you'll get
Great.
some phone calls. But I did want to mention the windows do make this room a lot quieter. We have traffic right behind these woods, and has made a big difference on the heat in this room and the noise.
And just to confirm, she went with the Gold Series triple pane from her the Endure series from Provia.
Yes.
And Sheila, I appreciate your business.
Thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
Eric. Thank you.
See you later, everybody.